Hello everyone. In this exercise, we will understand how to use the convert entity command in the Solidworks. This is the Solidworks user interface. Our actually in the convert entity, we try to avoid the redrawing of the sketch for which this model has been created for any model. Our purpose is to avoid the redrawing the sketch on a plane in order to save the time. Suppose this is a model, simple model with a tangent type sketch. This is a plane at some distance, I see at a 550 distance. I right click, sketch, isometric, convert entity in the sketch, this one. Suppose I select the entity, one entity, two entity, and convert. So these two entities are converted and are projected on this plane. Okay, I am undoing this. Again, convert entity. This time I am selecting this face, this place, and OK. Now the whole boundary is projected on this plane. Okay, I am undoing. Again, convert entity. Now this time I am selecting the face, but I am selecting inner loops one by one, inner loop one by one, this one, and OK. Now these two loops are converted on this plane. Again undo. Suppose this time I am taking, select this face, and I am selecting select all inner loops. Select all inner loop. Automatically they are selected, and if I OK, then the all loops are on this one. Again, convert entity. If I select this surface and OK, then the whole boundary. In this way, this is the projected. Again, I convert entity. This time I am using the select chain. Select chain. I have drawn a sketch of tangent type. This line, tangent, this one. Select chain. First, you have to select the chain, and then select any line. This one, whole line is converted. Now this is projected on this way. In this way, convert entity is used. And now you see there are some relations. You see, if I move my cursor here, there is some relation. Here some relation, some relation. So there is a linkage. There is a linkage between this sketch and the originally drawn part sketch. First, out of the sketch, suppose in both I change this sketch, edit this sketch, I change, suppose, for example, 150. Changes. So this sketch change accordingly. In this way, we can use the convert entity. This is very useful. Our basic purpose is to, in order to avoid the redrawing of the sketch for which we have drawn for this part model. In order to save the times, so this is used for that purpose. I hope this exercise would have liked you, and you please subscribe this channel, and you please like and share. And thanks for watching. Okay.